Okay, so this is a sample of what I did last semester. I know it looks like a bit of a monster, but what I wanted to show you all is how different facial features connect on the face, because this is going to be the next step that you do to use your knowledge of the different proportions of the face, which is obviously the purple, and normally you wouldn't have the purple in there, or you draw it really lightly and then erase it afterwards. So it's showing you the proportions of the face. It's using your knowledge of the different facial features, so the eyes, the nose, the mouth, but it's also, you're going to need to know how to put each of those facial features on the face to kind of connect it. Okay, so what I would suggest is start off with the eyes. Once you've drawn the oval shape of your face, then your nose, then your mouth, but you need to somehow connect your nose up. This is the part that I wanted to talk about. Your nose should connect, maybe I'll do this in another color so you can see. Okay, your nose should connect all the way up to your eyebrows, but you don't draw a straight line like that. Instead, what you're going to do is add shading that goes the whole way up to your eyebrows. Okay, then you're going to add a little bit of shading that connects your eyebrows up to, okay, have a play, have a look at other people's faces. Okay, that's probably the biggest tip that I can give you as far as connecting the facial features. Nose leads up to those eyebrows. The other thing is, make sure that you've got these lines in here so that then it connects your nose and your lips. You could also add a little bit of a line here for the chin. Another line that you need to add in is this one here. So if you look at the person sitting next to you, you'll notice that the nose to the mouth, there's like a line that is, I guess, separating your mouth and your nose from your cheeks. So you need to add that in, especially if you smile, you'll really see it, that there's that bottom line of your cheeks, I guess you could say. Another line that you probably need to add in, but do it really lightly, is that line under the eyes too. That's kind of the top part of the cheeks. Okay, so yeah, make sure that you're adding all of these things in. Add in the hair that you want, so whether it's a fringe, whether it's more of a male haircut, it's totally up to you. Next week I will show you guys how to draw in the ears, so don't worry about those just yet. Okay, all right. So once you've finished your facial features, drawing them in detail, you can draw and practice multiples of these if you'd like. Obviously, we've only drawn one eye. You could try and give the other side of the eye a go. Once you've done that, grab a new piece of paper, see if you can then draw a face, a random face. Doesn't have to be anyone's face, but using your knowledge of all of these things. Okay.